Snake with a Foot. Way back in 2009, we reported a chilling story about a woman in China who woke one night to find a snake crawling up the wall of her bedroom using its foot. Naturally, we were terrified, and proclaimed the snake with a foot to be a sign of the apocalypse. Admittedly, that might have been an overreaction, as 3 years later we're still here and no further reports of unpedal serpents have arisen. And yet no explanation for the legged snake was ever offered, and so we proceed into each new day with only cautious optimism that it won't be the world's last.